So now we are discussing about the relationship between the parameters of two-port network. So interrelations between the parameters of two-port network. So basically we have the four types of parameters are there. So Z parameters, Y parameters, ABCD parameters and hybrid parameters. How the Z parameters are interrelation with the Y parameters and ABCD parameters and hybrid parameters. Similarly, how the Y parameters, which are interrelations between the Z parameters, ABCD and hybrid parameters. Then how the ABCD parameters are in interrelationship with Z parameters, Y parameters and hybrid parameters. Similarly, last one is the hybrid parameter. How the hybrid parameters are interrelations with the Z parameters, Y parameters and ABCD parameters. First of all, we will see the how the Z parameters which are related to the Y parameters. So already we know that the impedance which is equal to reciprocal of the admittance, that means Z is equal to 1 by Y. Okay, in matrix form, so we can write like this. We have the in two-port network, we have that four parameters are there, right? Z11, Z12, Z22, sorry, Z21 and Z22. Similarly, in the case of admittance parameters, we have the four elements are there, four parameters are there, Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22. Okay, so here and we have the, so these two parameters, Y impedance and admittance parameters in the case of mathematical representation, matrix representation. So if you are getting the value of Z11 by using the in mathematical matrix by using the Cramer rule, so Z11 is equal to Y22 by the modulus of the Y parameters, that is nothing but Y, that is nothing but Y11 minus Y11 into Y22 minus Y12 into Y21. So that is the modulus of the Y matrix. Similarly, if you are getting the value of Y Z12, so Z12 is equal to what? It is taking the negative sign. So this is called as a Cramer rule, right? So matrix Cramer rule minus Y12 by, so modulus of the Y matrix. Then Z21 is equal to, so minus Y21 by modulus of the Y matrix. Z22 is equal to Y11 by, so modulus of the Y. So we can get the these parameters, impedance parameters Y, Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22 by using the matrix Cramer rule. Then you go for the Z parameters, how the related to the ABCD parameters, right? Z parameters in terms of ABCD parameters. So already we have the governing equations of the ABCD parameters. V1 is equal to A into V2 minus B into I2. I1 is equal to C into V2 minus D into I2. So from the second governing equations we can write, so V2 is equal to, right, V2 is equal to what we can write from the second equation number 2. So 1 by C into I1 plus D by C into I2. That is equation number 1. We are assuming equation number 1. Substitute equation number 1 in the first governing equation, right? That means we can replace V2, substitute this value in equation 1, that means in place of the V2, and it becomes V1 is equal to A into 1 by C into I1, right, plus D by C into I2 minus B into, this is B into I2, right? Now, so after simplification of this expression, and we got the V1 is equal to A by C into I1 plus, and here AD minus is BC, it is D, it is not AD, it is B only, so BC by C into I2. So this is the equation number 2. Comparing equations 1 and 2 with the governing equation of Z parameters, right? So already we know that in Z parameters V1 is equal to A Z11 into I1 plus Z12 into I2. Similarly, V2 is equal to Z21 into I1 plus Z22 into I2. So now comparing those two equations, and Z11 is equal to A by C, Z12 is equal to here AD minus BC by C, and Z21 is equal to what? 1 by C, and Z22 is equal to D by C. Okay. Now how the Z parameters which are related with the H parameters. So now we know the governing equation of the H parameters. So V1 is equal to H11 into I1 plus H12 into V2, and I2 is equal to H21 into I1 plus H22 into V2. So from the second governing equations we can write, so V2 is equal to what we can write from the equation number 2, V2 is equal to minus H21 by H22 into I1 plus 1 by H22 into I2. That is equation number 1. We are assuming that is equation number 1, and substitute equation number 1 in the first governing equation. This is the first governing equation. Now in place of the V2, right? Now we are substitute the V2 in equation number 1 in the governing first governing equation, and it becomes V1 is equal to H11 into I1 plus H12, and we are substituting V2 place this one in E2 V2. So V2 is equal to minus H21 by H22 into I1 plus 1 by H22 into I2. Then after simplification of this expression, then it becomes V1 is equal to H11 into H22 minus H12 into H21 by H22 into I1 plus H12 by H22 into I2. That is equation number 2. So these two equations, equation number 1 and 2, compared to the standard equations of the Z parameters. What are the Z parameters? V1 is equal to Z11 into I1 plus Z12 into I2. Similarly, V2 is equal to Z21 into I1 plus Z22 into I2, right? Comparing those two equations, then Z11 is equal to this is modulus of H. That means what? H11 into H22 minus H12 into H21 by H22 plus Z12 is equal plus Z12 is equal to what? H12 by H22. Similarly, Z21 is equal to what? Minus H21 by H22. Z22 is equal to 1 by H22, right? So these are the Z parameters. They are interrelations with the hybrid parameters. That's all.